Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this REALME GT 2 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install an Opera browser on it. So first of all, you gotta open up the Play Store on your device. Here at the search bar, type in Opera, press on search. Once the needed app is found, click on install. Wait for the app to get downloaded and install. As you can see, it will take no more than a few seconds. Open it. Here, gain some permissions to the browser. Continue. At this stage, you are required to choose whether you want some of the features to be enabled right now, or you can basically skip them by pressing the skip button on the top right corner. I'll just enable ad blocking, enable track blocking, and skip the set Opera as default part. Click on allow, and we are all set. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.